As much as we hate to admit it, teen pregnancies are very common in today's teens. Because of more restrictive sex education, there is much less birth control being used and much higher rates of pregnancy among U.S. teens than anywhere else. As of 2012, the Texas teen birth rate was 44.4 births per 1,000 teen girls ages 15 to 19. Good family and parenting can have a lot to do with teen pregnancies. Teens who have involved parents who educate their kids on sex and what could happen are more likely not to become pregnant versus teens whose parents are more relaxed. Raising children that listen and understand consequences and that are educated tend to make better choices than teens that are not. In 2012, a total of 305,388 babies were born to women ages 15 and 19. Teenage mothers are more than likely to quit high school and live in poverty. 2/3 of children born to teen moms earn a high school diploma compared to the 81% of children born to adults. For local help in Texas, call 817-579-1322 or worldwide at American Pregnancy Hotline 1-866-942-6466. Teen pregnancy is a big deal. We have to pay our kids more attention.